Today we are doing exercise 11.3, question number 11. A circle of radius 2 cm is cut out from a square piece of an aluminium sheet of side 6 cm. What is the area of the leftover aluminium sheet? So here we are required to take pi is equal to 3.14. Now let us find out. Now first of all we will draw a figure. Here it is a square sheet, and after that it is 6 cm side, and there is a circle of radius 2 cm. Now we will find out the remaining area. So first of all find area of square. This is side into side, means 6 into 6, 36 centimeter square. Then we will find the area of circle. This is pi r square. Value of pi will be 3.14 and radius here 2. When we multiply, it is 12.56 centimeter square. Now area of remaining sheet. Now area of remaining sheet, we will subtract 36 minus 12.56. Then it is 23.44 centimeter square. Now this is question number 12. The circumference of the circle is 31.4 centimeter. Find the radius and area of the circle. So first of all here we will find out the radius, and after that we will use formula of the area pi r square, and then we will find the area of the circle. Now this is question number 12. The circumference of the circle is 30. So first of all we will write circumference. This is equal to 31.4 centimeter. Here you know that formula is 2 pi r, and the value of pi it is given 3.14. Now we will multiply and then we will divide this. 3.14 and 31.4, answer when we cut it is 10, then 2 5s are 10. So radius is 5 centimeter. Now we will find area. This is pi r square. 3.14 into 5 into 5. This is 25. Now we will multiply 25 for the 100, then 10 carry, 25 ones are 25 and 10 35, 3 carry, then 78.50 centimeter square. This is the area of the circle. Now this is question number 13. A circular flower bed is surrounded by a path of 4 meter wide. The diameter of the flower bed is 66 meter. What is the area of this path? So we will find out. Now this is question number 13. A circular flower bed is surrounded by a path of 4 meter. Now this is path, and the breadth is 4 meter, and diameter of the flower bed is 66. This is the diameter, this is 66 meter. Now we are required to find the area of this path. First of all, inner radius and outer radius we will find. inner radius. This is 66 upon 2, that is 33 meter. Then inner area we will find, it is pi r square, value of pi 3.14, multiply by 33 and into 33. Now here you can see, after multiplying, answer is 3419.46. Now we will find the inner, after inner we will find outer radius. Outer radius, now you know that inner radius is 33, so the width of the path will be added for outer radius, then it is 37 meter. Now we will find outer area. Formula again, pi r square, value of pi 3.14 and radius here 37 into 37. Now we will multiply this 3.14 multiply 37, then answer is 4298.66 meter square. Now we will find area of path. Now there we are required to subtract inner area from outer area, then 4298.66 and 3419.46. This we will subtract and answer is 02978 meter square, 879.20.